Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SiteGround web hosting, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your website backup in SiteGround? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your website backup in SiteGround anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing web development, you know that sometimes you make an error and the website crashes. So maybe it's better to go ahead and restore a backed up version of your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your SiteGround dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SiteGround account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and find your website backup, you're going to click on websites here on the top left. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a list of your websites in SiteGround. So go ahead and look for the website that you need the backup for. So for example, this one. And off to the right, you're going to click on Site Tools. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of these different characters. So there's a couple of different ways you can get to the backup. So here on the tools, you're going to see backup. It looks like, I guess like a cardboard box with a downward arrow. If you don't see that logo for some reason, here on the left menu, just open up security. Once you click on security, you can click on backups. Either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. Okay, so here you're going to see a list of all of the backups available. So you can see for my particular plan, they're going to hold these for up to 30 days. So for example, I can go back, say 1 week ago. And if this is the backup that I need, I'm going to click on these 3 dots, and then we can go ahead and restore from here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your website backup in your SiteGround account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.